If you believe in 3D, if you believe in technology, I don't recommend. It's just an obligation. You cannot be anywhere else than in Prodways Group, for sure. The Formnext exhibition is very important in this industry. It's very important to be here. First, it's a famous exhibition of all the 3D players worldwide. And for us, it's a good occasion to present to the industry the complete value chain of Prodways Group. For our customers, the main point is to innovate and to grow. So Prodways Group is really specialized in helping customers to make innovation. And innovation means to be able to go fast, to be able to present a market product very quickly, and also to grow quicker than their competitors. So Prodways is putting together all the different options and solutions to innovate and to grow. Could be printers if they want to produce by themselves, or digital manufacturing if they don't have the ability to produce by themselves. They come to us, they send a file, and we produce the part for them. So really are the two focus we have: innovation, growth for the customers. Prodways Group is different from the other players by the complete value chain that we are mastering. We have the possibility to provide machines, to provide materials, to provide software, and to provide different services like digital manufacturing. And also we have some specialization in specific domain like audiology, for example, or dental. So having all this complete know-how is very unique in this industry. We have different divisions, different technology, different know-how, but we are all in the same team and we are united in the one team and one ambition for the future. Prodways Group in the future will be a highly innovative company, a leader in his industry, and also a multi-million euro revenue, and always profitable, because this is how we can help customers for the long term.